To allow notification from an app when driving mode with DnD is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap driving, tap do not disturb, and then tap apps, tap add apps, and then select the desired apps you like to allow its notification when driving mode is on. As the example, we will select phone, tap done button, and then tap the back button. By doing this, now notification from phone app will be allowed when the driving mode with do not disturb is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.